Alrighty guys, this is Buckley Hammer here, with a MC Edit tutorial on how to get MC Edit and how to get MC Edit filters. First, go to Internet Explorer or whatever you use. Now, you want to go to your bar and go look up MC Edit. MC Edit. Just turn on MC Edit, look it up. MC Edit. You're on www.mcedit.net. See that? That. Anyway, so go here. And what is your operating system? I'm running Windows. You can see by just there. Right, so what you do, just click on that. And then 64 or 32. 32. Do save. Open folder. Now you see I need to close that. So now pull this to your desktop. Open it up, and then you'll see this just here. Click extract all, then click extract, so open up the folder, and then, yep, now let's copy it. That won't really matter, so close out of that, and then, so you see, we downloaded the zip file, and we extracted it into this little file just here. So now, open it up, and open this up, just click run, then MC Edit will begin. And then, so this is all that, okay? And so click X, and we'll exit out of that. So now how you get filters is, so what you're going to want to do is exit out of that, and let's go to the internet. And then look up MC Edit space filters. What? I'm sorry, but for some reason MC Edit filters. See the filters. Then go to this one. And then so there are all these. What I'm going to do is, let's, for demonstration, let's do one that's big. Player statue. So now click this and download player statue, save, folder, and then so you have this file. Now open up MC Edit. So open up this first file, MC Edit dash 0.1.7.1 Win32. Now open it up and open up the file that says filters. Now you get your file, player statues, then move to filters. Now it's in there. Now run MC Edit. It's going to go. Okie dokie. That's full screen. Okay. Load world. This is the map. Just click load. If you know how to use MC Edit. Oh, okay. You know you want to go. No? What? No, stop. Okay. So what you want to do now is click on MC Edit. Wait, I'm sorry, I can't find it for some reason. Cannot find what I'm supposed to be doing. I think it's MC Edit. I am going to wait. Brush, there's filter here. Yeah. Import, no. Wait. What's that? Whoa. Let's just use some help on that thing, right? So, come on, how do I do a filter? Okay. Oh right, I need to, wait, stop. So, wait, I found out what you do. So you make that area, and then you click on the filter, and then click on that, and then mine is the one we downloaded, is player statue. And you go character name, right, and mine is Buck. Wait, nope. Buckling. Buck. There is a giant statue of me. There's a filter we just downloaded. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Alright. That is amazing. Just amazing. Go into my head. Hey, look, think about it. Building a bunker in your own head. Wouldn't that be just epic? Or in your chest? Oh, went a little too far. Yep. Alrighty, we will be back. I will be back with more filters. You can do some really quick ones and how to download them. You already know how. Goodbye. I'm Buckling Hammer.